Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will tell you how you can set password to any folder. Now if you use some folder to keep your private files, or you want a little bit of more privacy, right? So in that case you can set password to any folder, and it's really easy. Now there are 3 or 4 ways that at least I know of, but there are many more available. So the first one is like Windows inbuilt privacy setting. Yes, you can use Windows inbuilt privacy setting to do that. And the second is there are tons of third-party software available. You can use that, and I will leave the link to everything in the description below so you can check out there. Third way is you can make a bash file inside a folder, and basically what it does, you can hide your folder inside that using a little bit of code, but I am not going into that because it is very common. And the fourth way that I use in my daily to daily life is, well, I will show you in video. So let's go ahead and see that. Guys, first let me tell you how we can encrypt folder using Windows inbuilt privacy setting. So first let me make a folder, and we will create one file inside, right? So that it's genuine that I am encrypting some file. So now we have a folder and a file in it, and we have to encrypt it. So right click on it, go to properties, and you see this advanced button right here down. Click on it. Now in the bottom part you can see there are 2 options: compress contents to save disk space and encrypt contents to secure data. All you have to do is tick encrypt contents to secure data, and that's it. Your folder is encrypted. Now where does this work, right? So if you have like multiple administration or multiple user accounts on one PC, in that case, okay, I will give you an example. Suppose one PC has 2 accounts, account administrative 1 and account administrative 2. In that case, if administrator 1 has one folder and it is encrypted, then administrator 2 needs login password of administrator 1 to access the files within. So that's how it works. I know it's not that secure, but something is better than nothing, right? And let's see what it says. You have chosen to make the following. Yes, I have. Well, I can apply to subfolder and file. That's always better. So that's it. Now this folder is secure, and if any other administrator want to access the file within this folder, then they need to know my login password. So that's good. So what we will do, we will make another folder, and I will show you which is the way that I personally use. So I made another folder, and let's make another file. Okay, so boom, yeah, it's there. Now it's very easy, and I will tell you what I use. I actually use WinRAR, and if you don't know what it is a compression software that basically compresses the folder, reduces its size, and you can also put or set password. So to download it, just type WinRAR, and you can download it from its official website, or many other websites are there. So I am downloading it from the official website. Now do note that I have already installed this in my system. Just for you people to show how it is downloaded, I am doing this. Download WinRAR, and again download WinRAR. So it's that easy, and in a minute it will be downloaded. Yeah, you can see in the bottom section it's only 2 MB, so it's very light software. Okay, let it download. So it's done. Well, I have already installed this in my system, so I will not install it again. Now see what happens. Now we have to encrypt this using WinRAR. Right click on the folder and select add to archive. After you select this, you have to select lock archive and set password. In password, I'm giving 1234, and I'm hitting OK. So you can see new folder 2. It's a RAR folder. It's created, right? So whenever you open it, the folder that's inside that RAR folder is open, and now whenever you open that, even that is open. So the encryption is applied onto your last end file. So now if I try to open this particular file, document file, it's asking for password. So let's skip something and try if it opens it or not. So you can see it's not opening it, right? And now I will try the correct password. It opened it. So it's that simple, guys. And also there's one more way. Let me tell you how. So what I'm doing, I am encrypted it again. So add to archive. Let me change the folder name so that it's good. And I change the folder name. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting lock archive, set password. Now I am encrypting file names. This is my favorite part of this software. I can encrypt the file names, and I will show you in a minute what it does. Now again, password, let's put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's fine, right? Done. So we have another RAR folder, and this time we have used in file encryption, like encrypting file name, right? So let's see what happens. When I try to open this, you can see it's asking for the password. So that's the beauty. It didn't open any folder, and it wasn't showing which all files you have inside that RAR folder. So that's the beauty of this. And now if I type anything, well, it's wrong. It didn't open it. You can see it opened this. It's showing local disk, but it is not showing your files. And to open this, you need to type in correct password. So what was it? I guess 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Yep, you can see now. And it's that easy. This is my favorite part, that you can encrypt the file names. So if you didn't see what happened, I will show you. This was the previous folder without file encryption, and see, it opened the folder directly, and then you need to give password. With encryption, it means first you will give password and then anything will happen. So this is my favorite method, and this is how I encrypt any folder in my daily to daily life. Now there are advantages and disadvantages. Advantage is that the file size, or you can say the folder size in whole, is reduced. So if this folder was suppose 100 MB, it will be reduced somewhat. And also your folder, your new RAR folder is password protected. So that's better. And what is disadvantage? So you can see I made these two RAR folders, right? I selected this, delete. That's the disadvantage. Anyone can delete it, guys, and well, what can I do? It is what it is. So guys, if you want to know how we can prevent that from happening, that deletion of folder without the password, let me know down in the comment section. Now do remember, the links to everything is given in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. So guys, if you think that this video was helpful in any way and you got to learn anything and you found whatever you were looking for, in that case, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.